Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a T-bone on the grill. First, ensure your T-bone steak is completely dry by patting it with paper towels. This helps achieve a fantastic crust. Next, season both sides generously with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any preferred steak rub. Let the steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before grilling, which promotes even cooking throughout. This simple preparation is key to a delicious result. Now, let's get grilling. Preheat your grill to a high heat, aiming for about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the T-bone directly over the hot coals or burners and sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes. This initial high heat creates that beautiful, flavorful crust we all love. After searing, move the steak to a cooler part of the grill for indirect cooking, allowing it to cook through without burning the exterior. Knowing when your T-bone is perfectly done is crucial. Always use a reliable meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the steak, avoiding the bone. For a delicious medium rare, remove the steak when it reaches an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer medium, aim for 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, the temperature will rise a few degrees while resting. The final and arguably most important step is resting your T-bone. Once removed from the grill, place it on a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful steak. Finally, slice the steak against the grain into desired portions. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly grilled T-bone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.